I now give the floor to the delegation of Azerbaijan for a second statement.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The delegate of Armenia, instead of replying to the specific points in our statement delivered in the exercise of the right of reply, has usually preferred to rely on standard fabrications and distortions. Armenia's statements at the general debate are illustrative of its attempts to prevent and undermine dialogue and instead advance hostile narratives and disseminate falsehoods. No amount of lies, falsifications, and misinterpretations can help Armenia evade responsibility for the heinous crimes it has committed and the racist ideology and policies it has pursued and continues to implement to this day. While provocatively exploiting the sensitive domain of inter-ethnic relations and cultural heritage, Armenia remains silent about numerous facts that easily expose its insinuations and decades-long anti-Azerbaijani hatred. A consistent pattern and scale of grave human rights abuses by Armenia against Azerbaijanis demonstrate the clear objective to expel, terrorize, and kill them based on ethnic animus and erase all traces of Azerbaijani heritage. The relevant United Nations bodies and other international organizations, including the Committee on the Elimination of Racial Discrimination and the European Commission Against Racism and Intolerance, have more than once expressed their serious concern about the spirit of intolerance prevailing in Armenia and the discriminatory policies and practices pursued in that country. The post-conflict realities pave the way for Armenia to redress for its misdeeds and release itself from mythology and enmity. Hopefully, it will not miss this opportunity. Instead of wasting time and energy on lecturing others about the principles, values, and norms that it has consistently opposed and violated, Armenia must realize that the goal of a peaceful, developing, and sustainable region cannot be achieved by endlessly replicating obsolete and false narrative, misinterpreting international law, and pursuing the policy of hatred, animosity, and territorial claims. Azerbaijan is firm in its determination to continue efforts towards advancing post-conflict peace-building, reconciliation, reintegration, peaceful coexistence, and development in the region, as well as ensuring justice and preventing and eliminating by all legitimate means any threats to the safety and well-being of its people and the state's sovereignty and territorial integrity. I thank you.